Debt collection is a complex task, and it can get complicated when the size of your operation increases significantly. A large part of your debt collector job involves making calls and tracking down leads. With hundreds of spreadsheets floating around, your operators waste a lot of time looking up the details of the defaulters while having a conversation with them. Frustration is high on the other side of the phone, too. Defaulter patiently awaits when the operator struggles to retrieve the details of the loan. Defaulter gets annoyed after discovering that the operator has no clue about all the other previous conversations. Your floor manager is having a tough time too. She has the calling list for the day, but she doesn't know how to call efficiently so that the time of the operators is used optimally. Our product, Smart Agent, puts you in complete control. It helps you save time, resources, and money while letting you do your job of debt collection efficiently and effectively. You can choose the dialing option that suits your collection call center the best based on the size of your operation. It can be progressive auto dialing or even predictive dialing. Our product will support your needs. The moment a call gets connected, the operator sees all the details of the defaulter along with the history of all the previous interactions. Operator can put forward her best arguments to the defaulter after seeing all the details of the loan, and the best negotiation is reached during the call in a very short period of time. At the close of the call, the operator writes down the disposition and follow-up actions in a very simple way in our Smart Agent product.